Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi, my name is Kubbra Sait and I'm so excited because I'm walking as a showstopper for Ghazal Mishra at the Lakme Fashion Week 2019. This year, her collection that's being showcased is called Atiba, which means delicate. And I think the country would vouch for the fact that we've actually experienced like the harshest winters, and even Bombay was not accustomed to this kind of a winter. So I'm quite happy to see us welcome the summer with a very happy pastel vibe. I mean, there's such intricate embroidered work on this outfit. It's just very me, I think especially because I can roll up the sleeves and wear a scarf around my neck, and I think it's fantastic. It's just such a beautiful way to welcome the summer with Atiba. On a lazy day, I would end up wearing denims and a white t-shirt. That's just me. Or track pants. So for me, it's the lehenga. I just can't think with a saree. Somehow I feel like my brain just jams if I have to wear a saree. So I love wearing those big poofy lehengas with a really cool, choli. I think it's just so fancy. I love it. And like big jhumkas. So when I go Indian, I go all out. My makeup must-haves, a good blush, a nice highlighter because that's like the in thing these days, lip balm and mascara. The one beauty tip that I would like to follow is drink more water, and the other beauty tip that I'd like to follow is sleep more. And then get your beauty sleep as well, in addition to all of that. Doesn't happen. The three things that I just cannot do in my wardrobe: a white t-shirt, a blue denim and white sneakers. You will always find Kubbra shopping at sales, because in my head, if it's a sale, it's practically free. But it's not. But you'll always find me at sales. Hi, I'm Kubbra Sait and this is the rapid fire round with Pinkvilla. I hope they're giving me a big hamper after this. Flats. Why? Because they're just comfortable. It feels nice to be grounded. Good answer. I like it. Lace, man. Lace all the way. I mean, look at this outfit. It's lace. So if you've got lace, then you don't ask questions. My go-to lip color is nude. I would like to steal Sonam Kapoor's wardrobe. I think she's quite cool. I'd like to even steal Karan Johar's wardrobe. Yeah, I like his jackets. Oh, I'd also like to steal Ranveer Singh's wardrobe. Yeah. Hi, my name is Kubbra Sait and I know you love my answers because I give cool answers. No, but if you like this video, then go ahead, like it, like not physically, but like press that button, subscribe to the channel and share the video. Enjoy. Enjoy, it's free. Go crazy.